To fix an Astro headset that isn't connecting to a PS5, several potential issues can be identified and addressed. These include problems with the base station, issues with the headset itself, or a loose USB connection. To resolve these issues, start by resetting the base station. Disconnect the power cable. Leave it disconnected for about 20 seconds, and then reconnect it. Next, reset the Astro headset by locating the on button on the left ear cup, turning it on, and then pressing and holding the Dolby and game buttons for 25 seconds. Additionally, inspect the USB connection to ensure the cable is firmly connected from the headset dock to the PS5 console. By following these simple steps, the connection issues should be resolved, allowing for a seamless gaming experience.